Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amaru Zari Arkan. I study at SMP IT Al Hidayah Sumeneb, and I am in class 8B. Now I want to tell you a story about the traditional culture from Sumeneb, that is Nyater. Nyater is a traditional form of gratitude for the Madurese people who work as salt farmers. This tradition is carried out 3 times a year, namely during the salt harvest season. Nyater comes from the word nazar, which means to give up one's intention or make a vow. This Nyater tradition is linked to the history of the arrival of Sheikh Anggasuto, an Islamic preacher from the Middle East who stopped in Cirebon, West Java before heading to Sumeneb. Around the beach in Pinggir Pepas village, Sheikh Anggasuto saw something strange when the seawater receded. He found very large footprints, which over time turned into lumps of salt. Sheikh Anggasuto then taught the local community how to make salt from seawater using simple tools. He also spread the teachings of Islam and founded a boarding school in the village. Sheikh Anggasuto died and was buried in Kebun Dadap Barat village, Sarongi district, along with the ancestors, namely Sheikh Kabasa, Sheikh Sharman, and Sheikh Bangsa. The salt farming community then carried out the Nyater tradition as a form of respect and gratitude to Sheikh Anggasuto and his ancestors. They also pray for safety, health, and blessings in cultivating salt. The Nyater traditional procession takes place by sending prayers to the ancestors, which is also called Asta or Pujuk Kubang. Then it continued with reading ancient manuscripts containing the stories of Jatiswara and Sampuraning Sembah, which used ancient Javanese writing using palm leaves. The Nyater tradition is also filled with social activities such as slaughtering sacrificial animals, providing compensation to orphans, and hosting meals together. This tradition is a form of Madurese cultural wealth that should be preserved or fadilah. Thank you for listening to my story about the traditional cultural of Sumeneb. I hope you enjoyed learning about Nyater and its significance to our community. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.